Hi, today in this session we are going to see the introduction to Solidworks. The Solidworks I am using is 2018 version. So in Solidworks we need to open a new document. It's a new page. When you have a new Solidworks document, there will be three modules. One was power drawing, assembly and drawing. First we will be drawing a 3D image, 3D component in power drawings, and we will assemble it in assembly module, and then the assembled component will be given as a 2D drawing in drawing module. So choosing drawing and OK. After entering into power drawing module, we can see three planes. These are the planes we will be generally using to draw a product or component. So first we have to draw a sketch. If we choose any one plane and click, right click, and we will see a sketch option. So this is a sketch module. The sketch module can be identified by this image. If the image is present, currently we are in sketch module. Okay. Generally, while starting from a sketch, we use center line because center lines are used in mirror, some other tools. So it will be very useful in drawing images. So the center line should be drawn passing through the origin. So if you want to draw a line passing through origin, we can see this line. This line shows the point is in a line, straight line passing through the origin. Click on this point and you can draw a line, extend it. So if you want to exit from this menu, click or press escape button and it will be removed. Then horizontal center line. Okay. Yes. Enter escape. Okay. Now draw some lines of rectangle. So this is a rectangle. Okay. If I want this rectangle to be symmetrical about x and y axis, then will be using this center lines. So now we are going to dimensions. In small, click in the sketch model, there will be in small dimensions. Select this line and drag it. You can see the dimension. Now I want the rectangle to be symmetrical about x and y axis. So what we can do is that select this line and this line and enter the dimension as 50. So now the rectangle is symmetrical about y axis. Now it is a turn to make symmetrical about x axis. Select this line, 25 by 2, or we can give 50 by 2 also we can give. Okay, this is a drawing. So there are different tools in line, center line, midpoint line. In rectangle there are different rectangles. Now we are drawing corner rectangles. There is another option, we can draw center rectangle, like central point will be chosen and rectangle will be drawn. Likewise in circle, ordinary circle with center and draw in circle, and perimeter circle, in arc, center point arc, tangent arc, 3-point arc, spline, ellipse. We use a polygon. Okay. Now the sketch module is done. So I have to press this icon to finish the sketch. Go to feature module. You can see more options. In sketch model we will be drawing only 2D drawing, and if you want to make it as a 3D, we will be going to features. In extrude or extrude boss or base, we will be extruding this 2D rectangle to 3D body. So you can see the extrusion is taking place in left direction. Oh, I don't want the extrusion left, but I want in right direction. Use this reverse direction, so the extrusion takes place in right direction. No, I want if you want an extrusion to be equally in both the directions, you can use midplane. If you use midplane, you can see extrusion took place equally in the both direction. Likewise, there are different options. We will be seeing it in course of time. Now we can give dimensions of the length of the 3D object. We can see this is a rectangular prism. This is a rectangular prism. Okay, this is a draft option. We will see it in later. Okay, let's draw. And I want a hole in the center of the rectangle. So choose this plane, right click it, make it as normal to the window, and just do a sketch. And I want a hole here, so choose the circle, select the center and draw a circle. If you want to give dimension, you can give 40. Now I want a hole in the 3D object or rectangular prism. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to extrude cut. So extrude cut, you can see the extrusion cut is take place from this surface to this surface. So select OK. If we want extrusion to take place in a particular length, we can change it. Right click that extruder cut and edit feature. Here we can give 180. If 180 means, you can see the cut will be taking place up to this point. It will not be throughout. So there is a cut, but it is not up to the opposite surface. Okay. So we will see another options. Revolve. Okay, close this document. Start a new one or drawing. So also make sure that the dimensions always in mmgs. We will be giving the dimensions in millimeter only. So make sure that mmg is always selected. So top line sketch and draw in center line. We can give the conditions. For example, escape. For example, I have drawn a line like this. I want this line to be in vertical line. So select this line and we can make it vertical, or we can also make it horizontal. So there is a conflict in conditions. So we must delete the vertical condition and then it becomes horizontal. We can select delete it by select the line and press delete button. It will be deleted. Okay, now we are going to see revolve options. Okay, draw a line. Okay. Finish sketch model. Go to revolve. Axis of revolution is this. Oh, if I don't want axis of revolution to be that one, you can change it. It is not happening. We can change the degree also. If I want the revolution to take place only 200 degree, revolution took place only for 200. You can change it. Click OK. So you can see that the revolution took place about this axis for this sketch. You can edit the sketch also. Right click sketch, you can see edit sketch. If I want to increase the dimensions, you can change it. And if you finish sketch, it will be automatically edited. So this is all about this introduction. In the next session we will be moving to exercise. Thank you.